Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. I've got some beautiful designs for a 6x6 wiper card for the holidays in my SVG shop and at the Silhouette design store, and I'm sure I'll be coming out with some more of them if you guys really like these. But let me show you how they work. When you pull on them, you have this cute little wiper that comes up, so it's really fun. Here's a little Bethlehem scene with the nativity, joy to the world. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to show you how to put these together. In a previous video, I have another style that is a smaller card style. In fact, let's see, these are, I think 4.5 by 4.5. Yep, they're 4.5 square. So you could certainly scale the large ones down as well. You could scale the smaller ones up, but this one's cute. It's just got a little pop-up right here in the middle wiper. So we're going to put together this cute Santa one. And I'll explain all the pieces in the file, but these are the other two styles that I have right now. Oh, and on the back, just so you can see, these are little print and cut pieces. May you have a joyful Christmas. And on this one says, wishing you the best Christmas ever. So really cute. You can put your sentiment, sign your card on the back. Okay, in the file, you're going to see these two large pieces laid out just like this. And then you've got your back design and then your front design, and this is all paper pieced. I've just gone ahead and put that all together here on the front. It's pretty self-explanatory. I've simplified the pieces as much as possible so that it's pretty easy to put together. The little trees have white behind them, so you know right where to glue them. And this piece here is actually meant to be a print and cut, so just go ahead and print the white piece and cut it and then glue the little trees on. So that gives you the front design, and then this is the back design, just a print and cut, a big bracket piece. But right now we're going to focus on our little Santa and where to glue him so that he works properly. So each of these pieces, you're going to Z-fold like this, just like that, okay? So when you look at the file, you're going to see a little triangle right in here. That is the position on the back of this piece where you're going to glue your Santa. So you're going to see it right here on the front, but that's the position for the back. And I've included some little cut marks that you can't see on the video, but you'll see them in the file that show you the position so you won't forget, because it gets a little confusing when you get all the pieces cut out and you're like, wait a minute, where'd my triangle go? So it also has a little glue strip here and here and here and here. So when we glue this together, we're actually going to be gluing those ends together just like that. Okay, but before we do that, we're going to install our Santa Claus. So I've just paper pieced Santa here on the top of this little lever, and there's a little corner here that you're going to want to fold back and away from Santa. So when we flip this piece over and we have our little triangle marked, you're going to glue this little triangle piece right in that position. So he literally is peeking out of the front of the card, just like that. Okay, and magically when we put this card together, he's going to fold in and pop up when we want him to. Okay, so just make sure that you glue in that exact position, and you want to use a really sturdy, heavy-duty glue. You don't want this coming loose at all. So we'll kind of put our glue there. You could put the glue on the corner, on this piece, or on this corner, either one, whatever you're most comfortable with. Just make sure that he stands up nice and straight. He's parallel here with the fold line. And then just make sure he dries really good before you move forward. I'm using this liquid glue. I put a link in the description. It's a nice sturdy glue that's going to stick and not come loose. Don't use tape runner. I tried it. They work themselves loose. There's just too much force. Make sure you don't glue him back on himself there. Okay, so we'll let him dry. And in the meantime, we're going to take a look at how our card goes together. So we've got these little covering panels on these two strips. And I'm not gluing my covering panels on the front and the back on purpose right now because I don't want to get it oriented the incorrect way, the wrong way. See how Santa just pops up? How cute is that? But basically you just put glue here on this tab and line up your front and glue that down, and glue on this tab here, and you're just going to line those up and glue it all flat. And then with those folds, it's going to create the bends. Okay, so let's go ahead and put adhesive down this inch strip here. I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive on this side as well. Okay, and then we're just going to flip that over, keep Santa out of the way by holding him straight up, and then just make sure everything lines up, all the corners perfectly line up. Okay, just lay everything nice and flat. Give that a good press so it can dry. Okay, and now our card works. You can pull Santa inside by closing that card and test him out. Look how fun that is. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and glue the front and the back on. So we've got this one for the front. You make sure you get everything oriented the right way. Make sure Santa pops up the way he should. It's about 1/8 of an inch all the way around for a mat. Flip it over. Again, make sure everything's oriented the right way. Why do I say that? It's because I've glued things on upside down before. And it's not fun. Okay. And this completes our card back. Okay, so now we have our cute little Santa card all done. Isn't that cute? And just another look at the other card styles here. Got the little Christmas tree. And we've got the little nativity, joy to the world. Aren't those pretty? So I hope you enjoy these fun wiper cards. And I would love to hear your comments if you want to see me make more of these. And I hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.